Giuseppe, what are you doing?
A little of this, a little of that.
Still welding studs, huh? You gotta wait, bro.
What does the ocean say? How does the,
no,
how does
not
the
your
ocean
joke.
say hi? It waves.
Yo, what are we doing outside?
Oh, what? Earlier this morning?
Yeah.
You know the overflow oil tank outside? You know the pipe that you put oil into?
Right, with the funnel.
Funnel. You're right at it.
Oh, good. You didn't let anything go on the floor, did you?
No, not at all. No, I didn't. So I got 2 pieces of pipe. One of them is too short, so I got to make it longer. You got to weld both of them together.
That's what that is?
This is what this is over here. See this? This looks like an exhaust, doesn't it?
It's an old exhaust pipe from
Exactly.
something that you did. Whatever,
Yeah,
it works.
it's from the Pontiac, but
Yeah,
it was outside, so I might as well use it.
Oh, and this is the other
So,
one. There's a way to do it. You want me to show you how? So how long does the whole thing need to be? This looks like it's too long now.
5 inches longer, so we gotta cut
like
this,
right up to
obviously.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd you get this?
Got a guy over at Lincoln.
I needed this.
Yeah, but look.
My other one is all scotch-shot.
Look at
broken.
this. Look. It stays.
Yeah, I know. I see
but,
that. Oh, yeah?
Look. Let's see how far apart we are. Look, open your hand.
Can I have it? Can I have it?
Give me the thing!
Now look what you did.
Now you dropped it.
You know, once in a while.
What'd you do? Can't believe you did that.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Would you say 5 inches?
5 inches longer, yeah.
Here. That's the way you do it. Now, here's the thing. Usually I put a clamp, so you can draw a perfect line all the way around. There. This way it's straight, you know what I mean? Because who needs to, you cut a pipe and it's on a biatney, you're going to put it in, it's crooked. There you go. Hey, happy Halloween. There you go. Okay, now.
Oh, I think I got some of an idea.
You gotta tack this one in place. See, these are spot welds. These holes that you make.
Yeah.
Okay? This way you can weld your little extension sleeve. It's stronger. It's 10 times what it was. This is a little overdone for something for just draining oil. So do me a favor. Put the machine on.
Alright, now what we do, go like this.
Thank you.
Alright? This checks the gauge of your metal. Now
That's
sometimes don't get fooled because all the metal, sometimes when you cut, you got like leftovers on the side, so it's probably thinner than what you're checking. It's 16 gauge, and over here, it's 14 gauge. That's why you gotta check on your clean side of the metal. See that? And come over here, 75% argon, 25% CO2, 035 wire. Come all the way to 16 gauge right here, 19190. 190. Now put your gloves on. Obviously these are pops, that's why they're the size of America. Yeah!
You have a delivery!
Alright, hold on. There's a delivery van here again. Don't touch it. You always steal the welder from me, and I never really got to use my beautiful Lincoln welder.
Yeah, it's true.
Don't touch it!
Nah.
I'm watching you.
Elvis is in the house. Get it done. Forget about these little kids.
What? What are you doing? I told you not to do it! What is this?
Get it.
What is this? Yeah, I told you not to do it!
You're a little kid.
Really? Because then I gotta do it. Hey, Pops, I need you to hold the light for me. Hold on, I'm smoking a cigar. Or hold on, I need a piece of cake, or I need a glass of soda.
Yo,
What?
I did it already.
I know, I see
The
that.
old man and the new man. Forget it. Now,
Atta girl. Now that.
look at how nice, it's straight as an arrow now, see?
Alright.
See, look, see? And that's not gonna leak. Now, if you want to make it look even better, I'm gonna show you something. You can finish it off even like this because the way you welded it, okay?
Yeah.
You're not only depending on the weld in the middle, okay? You're depending on the 2 spot welds. Remember these?
Yeah.
All right, the 2 spot welds, which I grinded, and you're depending on a little gap that I left between the 2 pieces. When you weld everything together, everything becomes really
You
strong.
can put a stick of dynamite in there, nothing's going to happen.
Well, I don't think I'd go that far, but anyway, if you do exhaust on a car, whatever the case is, there's so many different ways. But anyway, when I stick it in the thing, well, it goes like this, right? With the funnel up on top and you drain the oil.
Yep.
That's the way to do it.
A smooth pipe.
That's right. Hey,
No.
often duplicated, never republicated.
Often duplicated, but never imitated.
Often imitated. It's backwards. Hey, often imitated, never duplicated. Giuseppe's Garage, taking over the world.
One set of pipes, getting welded the right way at a time.
Ow! Get out!
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.